I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the VIN and model year, so you grab the exact update file. This avoids incompatible installs. Next, prepare a 1632 GB USB drive and format it to FAT32 or XFAT depending on the vehicle prompt. Once done, download the update file to the USB using the package name that matches your infotainment version, and make sure the car battery is healthy or connect a charger before you start the installation in the parked vehicle. You insert the prepared USB into the infotainment port and then navigate to Settings Software Update. The system will detect the package. When prompted, back up profiles and accept the terms because the unit may reset to apply changes. Once you choose Update, the system copies files and reboots multiple times. This is normal. Make sure you don't remove the USB or interrupt power if the screen goes blank temporarily. Remain patient until the progress completes and the unit reboots to finalize. You verify success by checking settings about to confirm the new firmware number matches the update notes. This proves the install completed. Once confirmed, restore any saved profiles, repair phones, and re-import navigation data if the update reset them. If the system reports an error or the unit fails to boot, try the USB install again with a freshly formatted drive. If problems persist, contact your dealer for recovery mode so they can flash the firmware safely and avoid bricking the infotainment unit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.